Welcome to the Washlink Systems username and password tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to create, edit, and delete users and their passwords. We recommend following along using the Creating Usernames and Passwords Tech Guide. The tech guides are available for free, located on the WashlinkSystems.com webpage. On the toolbar at the top of the page, go to Support, then scroll down, click on Documentation. Here you'll find the tech guides. Click on Creating Usernames and Passwords. That will be the tech guide for this tutorial. We will be reviewing some key points that will easily allow you to create, edit, and delete usernames and passwords. We'll start with accessing Director. Learn how to log in. Start using Director. We'll add our first user, then define that user, and we'll make changes to the user. At the end of this tutorial, you should be proficient at adding, editing, and deleting users and their passwords. So let's get started. Start the Director by double-clicking on the Director icon on the desktop. After Director starts, we'll have to log into it. The default username is 1, the number 1. There is no default password. Leave the password box empty. Then press OK. You now have complete access to Director. Let's get started by clicking on File, then scroll down to Add Director User. We will now add all the user's required details. We need the user's name and password. Let's enter the user's name and password and then retype the user's password. For this exercise, we will fill in some of the user's information. This is optional, but we suggest it. We want to issue this new user full access. Press Yes, Full Access. Then yes again to grant full access to the new user. A couple of more things to do. Click on Add Users, then OK for the successful addition of the new full access user. Editing or deleting a user or password is very easy. Start with File, then go to Edit or Delete Director Users. The User Viewer and the Editor screen will start. Let's choose the user we'd like to edit. Then click on the Edit User. The Edit User screen will start. Now you can edit the user's name and password. We can also edit the optional details of this user. When done, press Edit User, then OK. Then close. You now have completed editing your user. Our final step is to delete a user. Go to File, scroll down till you see Edit or Delete Directory Users. We again are going to use the User, Viewer, and Editor screen to delete the user. Choose the user you want to delete, and highlight it. Click on Delete User, then Yes. You'll be warned if you really want to delete the user. Click on Yes. You now have completely removed the user from the viewer. Click on Close to close the user, viewer, and editor box. Let's review some of the key points that we learned. We learned how to get Director started. We learned to log in, use the Director, adding a new user, defining the user, and edit and delete that user. You should now understand how to add, edit, and delete a user. Good luck!